Welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll change out the ball joint on this 2011 Chevrolet Cruze. Fortunately, the ball joint is not serviceable, so we're gonna have to change the whole table. The brand that we're gonna replace it with is the GM Genuine one, so we won't have any fitment issues. So all we have to do is take off the two bolts on the bushing, this bolt on the bushing, and free up the ball joint. All right, let's go. All right, first step is we're gonna take off the wheel, 19 millimeter. All right, we're gonna get the two bolts that are on the bushing in the back here. These are 18, so we'll get an 18 wrench to hold the nut, and then 18 on the bottom. All right, now we're gonna get the 18 that's in here. So put a wrench on the nut. Okay, the undercover I had here is broken. You would have to take off the plastic clip that's here, and then you could get easy access to the bolt. Okay, bolt number 2. Okay, now the last nut, the pinch bolt on the ball joint. So 15. Okay, once you freed it with the ratchet, we could go back with the gun. Okay, so get an open-ended wrench and pry out as we twist the bolt. Look at all the corrosion on the bolt. So we're gonna clean that up before we put it in. Okay, so we're gonna free the ball joint. So either use a pickle fork like this with a hammer, but I'm gonna go with the air hammer because it's a lot faster. So either one is gonna work to free up the ball joint from the knuckle. I'm gonna finish it off with a pickle fork. Okay, so we're gonna torch the knuckle a bit to free it up. Be careful because the ABS wire is near it. All right, now the table should be free. Okay, and the last thing is the ABS wire is attached to the table, so we're gonna unhook it. Okay, like so. So it's attached in this hole here and this guy over there. So not only the ball joint was bad, look at the inner bushing. We're gonna line up the inner bushing first and then the center bushing. Okay, second one. Now put the nut. Now put these nuts. Okay, so to make the ball joint sit all the way, so we're just gonna hammer a bit. Okay, now put the bolt through it. So push on the bolt and then hammer on the ball joint and the bolt should go through easily. Okay, now put the nut. Okay, now we're just gonna line up the ABS wire. Oh, perfect. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, I'm just gonna put another zip tie here because my undercover broke and the wire is hanging. Okay, that's it. The last step is, or we're just gonna raise the table to bring it to right height, and then you could tighten the bushings. That's the proper way to do it. So tighten the bushings at right height, and after that we're done. All right, don't ask me for the torque specs. I don't know them. The torque specs I use are tight like a Taiga. Depending on the aftermarket table that you got, you might need an alignment because they're different weights and different measurements, so it might cause your car to pull. So pretty easy job you could do at home. It's like taking baby from a candy. All right, if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. All the tools that I use are gonna be in the video description. It's gonna take you to the Amazon affiliate link. I do get a small commission out of it, so I appreciate if you guys would use it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. Peace.